The Dodge Charger, a name etched into American muscle car history. First introduced in 1966, the Charger was Dodge's answer to the rising demand for fast, aggressive, and stylish performance cars. But it was the 1968 to 1970 models that truly defined the Charger legacy. And in 1970, the final evolution of the second generation arrived. And to many, the most iconic. A clean, open grille framed by hidden headlights. At the rear, horizontal taillights stretched edge to edge, outlined in chrome. Subtle, but unmistakably Charger. Inside, high-back bucket seats came standard. A first for the Charger lineup. Dash panels were redesigned with more wood grain, more presence. Engine options were plentiful, from the base 318 to the 440 Magnum and the legendary 426 HEMI. It was muscle, refined, power with presence, a final form before the Charger would evolve once again. 1970 was the last of the second generation Chargers. The Charger wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of American muscle at its peak. But the legacy of the Charger didn't end in the 70s. In fact, it only grew. It became more than a muscle car. It became a pop culture icon. Some cars fade with time. The Charger just gets louder. The shape, the sound, the soul, it stays with you.